Good evening, folks. We're live at 8:49, and we are running Robert's Afa Yoda. There he is. I got 25 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Paste them in here. There they are, 1 through 25. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 7. So we're good to go. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Josh takes round 1. Eric round 2. Matt round 3. Gary round 4. Eric round 5. Samson round 6. And our winner is Scott Singer in at number 16. Congratulations, Scott. Here's our official results. JURRPJ. Scott Singer in at number 16 is the champ of the Afa Yoda. Congrats. I'm done at 8:50. There it is. Again, here's the official results and our winner. Scott in at number 16. Congratulations. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.